So I found this huge metal cage on OfferUp several months ago. In the pictures, it did not look this big, but great deal too. Very inexpensive. I know these cages typically run this size anyway. Typically run what, $300 to $500 or more. And I have my parakeets in here, which this cage used to house a macaw. But I have my parakeets in here. And sometimes they do slip through the bars because it's so wide. I have 4 parakeets right now. That is Jon Snow, the blue and white. Oh, there's Keywee. Hi, Keywee. Hello. And Jon Snow is hiding. You guys can tell I am there's Jon Snow. You guys can tell me I'm a Game of Thrones fan. And right there is Mayor Sweety. He is so sweet. Hi, Mayor Sweety. And up there is Petunia. Hi, Petunia. I think she's going through the molting right now. But there's Petunia up top, Mayor Sweety, Jon Snow, and Keywee. And you guys, they have so much room in this cage. They don't know what to do with themselves. I need to clean it. But I plan on getting more birds at some point. Because I think that Jon Snow, Mayor Sweety, and Keywee, I think they're boys. And I think Petunia up there is the only girl. But time will tell as their beaks change. And I'll know exactly who's a female and who's a male. But I thought I'd just share a little bit with my birds. My little parakeets, my budgies. Say bye, guys. Bye. Bye, guys.